Hey guys, it's me, Christy again. I don't remember how many videos it's been. I think it's 4 now. So, those of you who are in the concrete group, you're done. I have finished going over the notes with you. I know it cut off a little short, but I didn't have much more to say. Before you sign out though, here, I want to read question 2, for you guys, for both the concrete group and the pipe group. So, using the notes and the videos above, what's one environmental risk associated with gathering the minerals needed for your building material? An environmental risk is something bad that could happen to the environment because of mining or the distribution of the material. So for this, I want 2 to 3 sentences, guys, about something something negative that's happening to the environment because of mining or taking out these minerals. So for you concrete folks, I talked about one thing, but the video that you should have watched, the video that went over mining limestone, right? That video, that goes over a bunch of interesting things, right? So you can talk about anything in that video, or you can talk about my notes in my video. All right, bye concrete people. Bye. Good luck. All right, pipe people, welcome. Welcome, pipe people. So, the first thing I'm going to click on, if I'm you, is my notes right here. Bam. Okay. Here are my